insanely tender, soft. Yes. Perfect dinner rolls. First, we make the tangzhong. Half a cup whole milk, half a cup water, quarter cup bread flour. This method causes the bread to be softer and fluffier. Continue cooking it, making a paste. Let it cool. 1 cup warm water, 10 grams active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar. Let it sit 10 minutes until foamy, like that. 4½ cups bread flour, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 2 tablespoons sugar. Stir. 1 egg. 1 yolk. On low speed, add the egg mixture, yeast, and tangzhong. Quarter cup unsalted butter, room temp. Knead the dough, low speed, 10 minutes. Dough is going to be sticky like that. Oil a large bowl, thinly coat it. Remove the dough. Transfer to the bowl. Proof until doubled in size, 1 to 1½ hours. Spritz an extra large baking dish. Punch the dough. Divide, making 18 pieces. Use the countertop to grip it, forming little bows into the pan. Keep it covered. Back to double proof, 1 hour. Brush your buns with egg wash. Make some pretty. Into the oven, 375 degrees, until lightly golden, about 20 minutes. While they're still hot, brush with melted unsalted butter. Mild in salt, because you fancy. That's what I'm talking about.